Good evening, everybody. As you can see, Mr. Walk Life in the building. Give you this 5-minute one. It's a low impact walk for the 350 plus, obese people, rehab people just now starting out walking again. You know, let me see. Got a surprise for y'all today. There you go. Part of nature. Don't stop walking with me now, because I ain't stopped walking. Alright? I ain't stopped yet. I'm still going. Kids starting to come out to play today. You know, it's a beautiful day. There you go. They're always full of energy. Yeah, I love the kids. All right, y'all, where we at? Yeah, we doing a 5-minute walk today. I'm going off the beaten path today. Just feel like that. But as long as you walking, as long as you moving, you know what I'm saying? Y'all been in them car wrecks and stuff like that. And you gotta take it one day at a time, one step at a time. You know, do my 5-minute walks. They ain't gonna hurt you damn bit. There we go. Where we at today? Parents out. There they go. Hey, beautiful day. Yeah, we out here today. Okay. Y'all trying to do the 5-minute walks. You get hip to one, put another one on back to back. You want to do a 15-minute one, put a 5-minute and a 10-minute one on. Keep the walk life, man, going. You know, pick up your pace as you go on. Y'all all right over there? Hey, Mr. Walk Life video. All right, y'all on it. Okay. There we go. That's how we do it, man. You know, I did a 15-minute one, and I'm back at you again with another 5-minute. Man, because that one cut off while I was walking. Gee, so hot out here, it just like blinked off and blinked back on. I was, oh, whoa, boy. Yeah, that phone get hot out here. Let me see. Yeah, beautiful day. You see where we at? Joe Morgan Way. Let me see. There you go. Yeah, that's my cat. Joe Morgan in the building. All right, y'all. These 5-minute ones for me is like a luxury walk. But for people taking rehab one step at a time, and them people thighs so big they rubbing and ain't did no walking at all, 5-minute ones get the job done. You graduate from them pretty quick too. Once you get to doing them, you move up to the 10. You know, I still do them, and I keep on doing them later on, even though I done lost the weight. Just for the people, just for to help the people that's starting off. Like I say in most of my videos, I ain't gonna forget about you. That's where I come from. Anyway, it's a hot one. I appreciate y'all riding with me. I use y'all for motivation every time I come out. Think about y'all. All the people that need a little help, need a little extra push. You know? I had to make up my mind. And now you see me out here. Changing my diet, eating a lot of fruits and vegetables. Mess up every now and then, eat some junk. Be mad at myself too. So, make myself stronger. I make sure I keep accountability of it, you know? So, That's the main thing right now. Stay consistent, eat healthy, and get the proper rest. Okay, I don't know where we at now, but I'm gonna keep on riding until I hit the 5-minute mark, so ride with me. All right? Mr. Walk Life in the building.